The Crystal Garden, one of Sofia's most beautiful parks. This is Stefan Stambolov, one of the most successful prime ministers Bulgaria's ever had. Still, he had a lot of enemies, so one day they arranged an ambush and chopped his head. The 20 leva banknote shows how he looked before the ambush and the statue after. Enough about him! There is a mysterious empty space in the garden. Locals believe that it's a result of the Second World War air raids, but in fact the authorities dug it to build a museum and then abandoned it. Now, with its exotic trees, it's a place where locals would have picnic and children would play. In the past, the Crystal Garden was one of the favorite spots of the city's intellectuals. They would gather in a famous cafe, this one. Nowadays, nearby, there is a bar called The Bar. In the park there are also many beautiful plants, benches where you can chat with your friends, 2 sculptures of baby deers, and a chemical toilet, which we don't recommend. Have fun exploring the garden, bye!